I-Kaizer Chiefs itravele nomfana omusha u-Abrahams. Kungenzeka umfana simbone edlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje. Ezinye iy'ndaba ey'nkulu bafethu, Eden McCarthy uzodlala noma ngithi this season uyodlala i-UEFA Champions League, i-team yakhe iqualifyile. Lezi ndaba ey'nkulu ngoba u-Eden McCarthy a few months back I remember ehleli nobabakhe beba-interview athi yena ufuna ukudlala i-UEFA Champions League. Mangimbheka kuleya interview nami ngamdoubta, to be honest, it was few months back. Bethi ufuna ukudlala i-UEFA Champions League, ngacabanga ukuthi kanjani, but-ke amaphupha ayafezeka bafethu. Congratulations to yena u-Eden McCarthy. uSipho Mbuli ushaya ingcwenga bafethu, igoli elihle kakhulu. Ngicela abangakaliboni ningalicheck-a online. Angikwazanga ulifaka lana ngoba izinto zaphesheya bafethu mawuzosebenzisa sometimes ama-clip wakhona bavele bakubhene, especially lana ku-YouTube. With that being said bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Siyazi ukuthi asisadrophi njalo, sesidropha sometimes, but sibonge labantu laba abanye abasigqugquzelayo ukuthi sidrophe, but yeah, Nkuli Soccer isekugcineni. Okunye, okay, ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu nawo akhulumile about ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi kube ne-momentum or bawawina ama-games, bawa-collect ama-games, bawa-collect ama-point against ama-players noma ngithi against ama-teams lawa amancane. So bayazi ukuthi from lapho-ke bazothola i-momentum from kulama-game lawa amancane. But-ke ama-teams amaningi medlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs ayazi ukuthi it's not just i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns, but modlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs baningi kakhulu abantu abakubhekile, so ukuzi-advertise for bona amajita, so kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Orlando Pirates ibonile bafethu ikwazile ukuwina, a decent performance from i-Orlando Pirates. Sibonile bashintshile laphana phambili, zange baqale ngoMbuthuma ngoba uMbuthuma uqala almost each and every game for i-Orlando Pirates, but finally-ke bamrestile, bakwazi even no-Radio Pane bafethu ukushaya amagoli laphana phambili for ezimnyama ngenkani. Again uSipho Cheni ushaye i-clean sheet. It's a positive thing for yena laphana umfana. Also u-Radio Pane bafethu ushaye igoli plus an assist, wasiza i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi ihlale laphana on top of ibhethu ye-Premiership ibe clear. uCedric Keza-ke i-Orlando Pirates ayilokhu yamshaya nange-weekend futhi izophinda imshaye. Ezinye ubani ubani lo mjida lona, uLitswalo, ya uye lo shaya amagoli ayi-2 bafethu for laphana iGalaxy. Sikhumbule ukuthi lo mdlali lona ulo wake wafuna i-Kaizer Chiefs bathi uyi-20 million or uyi-30 million, angisakhumbuli. Yeah, but iGalaxy beyidlala nemarumo Gallants. Ubani uLitswalo, njalo isibongo sakhe ngisisho wrong, uphinde wathola-ke i-man of the match. Congratulations to yena laphana umfana. So sithembe-ke bafethu ukuthi even nabo Sipho Mbuli laphana phesheya bazoqhubeka benze ibukwayo, badlale kahle. Even no-Eden McCarthy njengoba ngishilo ukuthi uyodlala i-UEFA Champions League, ukuthi izinto zomhambela kahle laphana umfana. Siyazi ukuthi ungene late, ungene extra time late yena kule game yabo le yama-playoffs, but yeah, there's I mean usafika overseas, usafika kulo, especially kuma-qualifiers walaphana ku-UEFA bafethu, uzojwayela kancane kancane. But once wathola i-opportunity ukuthi adlala, if uyakwazi uyaqhubeka, uyakwazi ukumisela, I guess it's only upwards for yena umfana, uzokwazi ukukhula abe strong, abe powerful. Simfisela inhlanhla-ke njengabanye-ke abadlali bafethu abadlalayo laphana. One of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uKwinika uthi Kaizer Chiefs i-right kakhulu this season bafethu, uthi futhi sebaprovile bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayi-team ehlukile kunale yalast season. Uthi indlela nje abadlala ngayo ezi-team ne-structure sibonisa improvement laphana. Uthi kuney'ndlela zokudlala ezintsha ne-style of play si-different from ucoach ofikile. Uthi even nje i-style na-everything bafethu, nendlela abadlala ngayo, and uthi baya-enjoya bona eze-team. Uthi ba-better futhi eze-team. Uthi ama-team ukuwuphathwa kwama-players nakathi shuthi ishintshile. So uthi le game lana bazoyidlala namhlanje bafethu i-bigger than the previous game le babayidlala ne-Sundowns, and kubalulekile for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-points. Asazi-ke bafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuthola ama-points. But uqhubekile-ke laphana uKwinika bafethu wathi kubalulekile, njengoba uthe kubalulekile ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithole ama-points kulama teams lawa amancane, uthi kuba nzima kakhulu njalo bebedlala ne-Richards Bay bafowethu, but uthi-ke baneplani yokuwina noma yokwazi ukuthola i-3 points. Uthi bayazi ukuthi ba-expect-ani from i-Richards Bay bafowethu. Uthi-ke ba-prepare kahle kakhulu. Sibonile-ke ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs e-welcome i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana e-airport Shaka bani airport laphana eDurban bafowethu. Siyazi ukuthi i-fan base yaseDurban iyayithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu. Every time when Kaizer Chiefs idlala eDurban abantu they come out in big numbers because bayayithanda i-team. So uthe ukunika kule season lena i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kumishini e-different yoku-collector ama-points and bayafuna ukuwawina amagemu amaningi. Sobona bafowethu ukuthi izinto zihambela kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs. Omunye uHugo Bros uhambile emsebenzini wakhe laphana kuSAFA noma ngithi andiSAFA kuBafana Bafana, but-ke naye ukhomenta ngey'ndaba ezingahlangene naye ezihlangana noPitso Mosimane. Cabanga bafowethu. Uthi uPitso Mosimane uthe okay, I'm paraphrasing, but I think uthe iBafana Bafana izobuyela emuva njengoba yena esengekho laphana ku-squad noma angasayilidi iBafana Bafana ngoba o-coaches abaningi bacontrolwa ama-agents. Uthe o-coaches ba-control ama-agent. Even when he started laphana kuBafana Bafana yena bekangafuni ukuthi ama-agent angenelele ekutheni ukuthi selectwa obani kanjani. Kanti-ke it was more of i-model yabo noma i-culture yeBafana Bafana noma i-system yeBafana Bafana. Ama-agent cabanga ama-agent ayaphapha. Kumele nje ngisho straight ama-agent ayaphapha, phapha into e-serious. Mfethu kudlala ibhola lana ama-professionals ayadlala. Wena into okumele uyibheke ukubheka iside le-player lakho ukuthi liyaperforma nama-contract wakho ukuthi a-right kuphela. Then ukuthi uyaselect ku-national team akaselect ku-national team awungeni ndawo wena. Awungeni ndawo at all lapho. But-ke abantu bazofaka. Sithemba ukuthi but indaba kaPitso Mosimane siyazi ukuthi complicated between yena neBafana Bafana, but whoever is gonna come sithemba ukuthi uzokwazi ukuba i-coach independent ezokwazi ukushintsha izinto. ISAFA-ke bafethu izokhipha i-statement about lezinto about imali eyithole laphana yini lento le ye-sport. I think i-DAC noma i-DSAC, i-Department of Art and Culture, whatever, le Sports and Art and Culture lapho nje izokhipha i-statement izokhuluma ngayo. Kumele i-react-e iSAFA because bayitholile imali. I-South Africa imove ngempela bafethu because izinto ezikanje kwamanye ama-countries awuziboni. But-ke iy'ndaba ezinhle ezinye eziphuma laphana ku-Sundowns bafethu ukuthi uTebogo Mokoena ulimele. I don't think uTebogo Mokoena u-ready ukudlala, but-ke nangu uTebogo Mokoena ebonakele laphana bafethu ejimini. Uyisotsha lo muntu lona, uyi-warrior. Sobona, I don't think whether it's a bad or it's a good thing ukuthi abuye fast kanje asazi. Sobona yibo abaziyo abadila naye laphana kuBafana Bastyle noma ngithi ku-Sundowns. Cause obvious bayamdinga locally and bayamdinga even international njengoba iBafana Bafana izodlala. Umdlali noma umuntu bekayi-captain laphana ku-Sundowns, Aubrey Modiba, one of the leaders. I think he's a third if not a fourth captain laphana ku-Sundowns. Uthe ama-supporters laphana we-Sundowns bafethu adlala i-role enkulu yokubasapota laphana ukuthi ba-collecte ama-point. Uthi nje ama-supporters aqhubeka basappote throughout the season.